I've had a good experience with the class, especially this year. It's been very helpful to realize what I need to do and what things to do so I can take the test. Having all this help is really good, and everything gets paid for as well with the state, so I really like it. I really enjoy it.
Well, I like it because I'm learning a lot of things through the GED class, and probably I'm from Africa and I finished high school, but I didn't get my high school diploma. So I like the GED class because it's helping me learning a lot of things that I didn't know in my past classes.
Taking my class, I teach GED. So GED is an alternate pathway to a high school equivalent diploma. It gives students an opportunity to be more marketable. It gives you an opportunity to be able to continue education into college, and honestly, it's just a really supportive environment to help you thrive in an education that maybe frustrated you in the past. So it's definitely worth looking into.
Hello, my name is Anna. I'm from Moldova. I come in the US 4 months ago, and I begin to make these classes. I like very much these classes. It's very helpful for me because I didn't have experience to speak in English in my country. I make my English better. I make friends in US, and in future I hope I will study more and more.
Not only we are able to learn something, but truly speaking, we are in a space where we
can speak,
really enjoying ourselves. So it's too good. And she is the person, Gloria is the person, it's like she's never letting any lecture to be like a boring one. It's so enjoyable, too good to be with her. It's like amazing.
Hi, my name is Claudia Anderson, and I teach the high intermediate to advanced ESL classes for the Milford Adult Ed. If you're looking to learn basic English, hone your skills in English, as well as learning about the culture of the U.S., please sign up for our free English as a Second Language classes. Classes are offered both during the day and at night. Please come and join us.
So I teach the citizenship class, which is a great class for residents of Milford who are interested in becoming U.S. citizens. We go through the entire process. We teach history of the United States, and we get our students prepared for all of the testing that they need to take to become citizens. So at the end of the program, after they've applied, they are well on their way to becoming U.S. citizens.
Hi, I'm taking stained glass class at Foreign High School with Paul. It's an amazing class. I've never done stained glass before, and I've pumped out about 4 or 5 pieces already. It's wonderful, and I suggest everyone do it.
My name is Paul Petroshanos. I've been teaching stained glass class for 30 years for adult education, and I love it. I love my students. This class is a special class. These ladies are doing great. I'm very pleased with this class, and come take adult ed. I love it.
It's fun. She's entertaining. She obviously knows the language and the culture, and so it's entertaining at the same time. It's informative, and it's structured. So it's great.
She has some great stories.
Yeah.
So last year I took a pottery class and really enjoyed that. So I thought I'd come back. So I really like the encouragement, the one-on-one aspects, but also the group setting, so that you feel this camaraderie, but also you get hands-on learning from it as well.
Oh, I love it. This is the 3rd time I'm taking the woodworking class, so it's I love it. I have made 2 other projects last year, and I'm planning to come back. I have made a rocking chair. I have made a floating shelf, and this time I'm making a cabinet for the shoes. I have been taking a pottery class offered by Maureen for almost 9 or 10 years with Adult Ed. So I'm a big customer of Adult Ed classes.